good morning. Welcome to my channel. My name is TheGreenland. So today we want to talk about Microsoft Word practical lesson. Microsoft Word practical lesson. So let me take you to Microsoft Word app. And here, as we can see, we have WPS Office. Some people will say it is Microsoft Office. This Microsoft Office consists of three. We have Microsoft Word, Microsoft PowerPoint, and Microsoft Sheet. So as you can see here, we have the WPS Office. So today, we are going to take it one after the other. So the first thing that we want to do today is Microsoft Word practical lesson. As you can see here, we have I am in Microsoft Word now, and in my PC here, it bring it as doc. So it bring it as doc. When you see docs and Microsoft Word is also the same thing. When you see docs and Microsoft Word is also the same thing. In this doc, we have different type of templates. And let me define my Microsoft Word first. My Microsoft Word is a word processing application developed by Microsoft. It is used for creating, editing, formatting, and printing documents such as letters, reports, resume, and assignments. So I have opened my Microsoft Word Office. Here we have different type of templates. It not depends on the templates that we want to use now. We have different type of templates. We have the blank one that is nothing was written there, and we have smart create. We have resume that is, if you want to do your resume, this is a template that will show you, that will guide you how to do it, what to apply and what to write. And we have education, we have letters, we have planner, we have work as well. Can you see the resume now? This one is also a template, information resume and so more. But today we want to talk about how to type and edit text. How to type and edit text. So you want to start afresh. You will click on blank. When you click on blank, so you start what you want to write, the document that you want to write. I want to tell you how to type rather, and how to edit text, how to change font style, how to change font size, how to apply bold, italics, and underline, how to change text color and alignment text, how to save and print your document. So that is what I want to do today. Today, let me start writing. So I say that, okay, sorry. And this, can you see this? Can you see my cursor? Apply our font size or font style. So you just drag it, I just put it here, and I will go to, can you see my this font style? Font style is not depend on the one that I want to show. So I will click on font style. I will have different type of font style, but the one I want to use, I like to use Time New Roman for my document. So when I write it now, I will click on it. It have changed to Time New Roman. So let's increase the size of the our text. So we come to this place as well. Our font size, we will increase it to like 18. 18 is okay. So that's how to increase our font size. And this one as well, the body of the document, you will highlight again. I've told you how to highlight. You will just, can you see my cursor here? So you will just click left click. You will not leave it. You will drag it to the points that you want to apply all the fonts and the font size and whatever you want to apply. So you will not drag, you drop it, and you come to our font style. I choose Time New Roman, and you come to our font size as well. Let's increase it to 16. So it's okay like that. And our thank you as well with Time New Roman, and let's increase it to 16. It's okay, yes. So we want to arrange it now. How do we arrange it? You know that earlier I told you that once we have applied our font size and our font size. So let's apply bold, italics, and underline. Let's apply our bold, italics, and underline. How do we do that? You know that anything that you want to apply, you first of all highlight the word or the sentence that you want to apply anything at all. So you highlight it like this welcome message. Now let's highlight. You want to apply our bold. This is our bold. You click on bold. You know that it has changed, right? So that is how to bold our text. And also, if it is italics now, so that maybe you want to your words to be slanting, so you click on italics. Can you see the welcome message now? But in this document, we don't need anything italics, okay? And I've changed it back in case that you want to do it or you want to use the italics. So the next thing is underline. Underline. You know that this part already shaded, right? So I did not change it. And you come to underline. So can you see now? It has applied like that. But in this document, what we're typing, we don't need any underline. So I want to remove it. So, and what we want to apply again is alignment. Alignment. Alignment is of four types. Yes, we have left alignment, right alignment, we have center alignment, and we have justify alignment. So this one I want to put it in center. This welcome message, you first of all highlight it and come to alignment. This one is in left already. So you want to put it in center. You click on center alignment. Is that taken now? That's how we do center alignment. And by the fact that we are typing a document, so let there is a gap between the word, the headings and the bodies. So I can you see my cursor now? So I click on the front of the message and I press enter on my keyboard. So let there be space, right? Okay. And we have done the alignment. So let's the body of the sentence, what we are writing now. Let's go to the button of the document. So you highlight as well. And you highlight it like this. So you now drop it and you come to justify. Justify is the part of alignment. You click on justify, that is perfectly okay. So this is our document now. And the first one is, let me write it like this, okay? And this one should be bold as well. Or we should do it like that. We should leave it like that. So, welcome message. Good morning, everyone. My name is TheGreenland. I am learning Microsoft Word to improve my computer skills. Microsoft Word helps me create professional documents for school, work, and business. I am excited to learn more and practice every day. I want to give so I press my that's how to apply all these front style and the alignment and the and the next thing that we want to do here is the change color text. Change color text. How do we change color text? Okay, this is our text now. It's in black color, but we want to change it to our favorite color. So you will highlight it and come to this place, change color, font color, font color. When you click on font color, you will choose any color that you want. Like me now, I like green. I click on green. Can you see now? It has applied to our text. That's how to change font color. You come to the font color, you first visualize the text, and you come to the font color and you change it to the color that you want. So that is how we have, I think we have covered enough for today. We have opened our Microsoft Word, we typed, and we edit our document. We change the font style and we change the font size. We apply bold, italics, and underline. We change the text color and we align our text. The next thing, but the last but not the least, that we are going to do today is to save our document. Is to save our document. So next lesson now, I will teach you the shortcut, how to save, how to apply all these shortcuts. Yes, we have shortcuts on our keyboard that we can press. But because you don't know anything about Microsoft Word, I will take you one after the other, step by step. Let's save now. How do we save our documents? Can you see at the title bar now? It's still showing documents too. So that is not what you want to use to save our document. So you come to file. When you come to file, you can see it has a drop down. Can you see save now? Click on save and it will bring out file name. Is it the heading of our document that we want to use to save, or we have a name for the document? No, like me now, this one is okay for me. Welcome message doc. So I leave it like that and I click on save and I click on save. See now, our title bar have changed to welcome message, not document 2 again. That is how to save. That is how to save. In case you want to print out, it's a gather process because I will still teach you the page orientation. Page orientation. We have type of page orientation. But today I've scheduled what I want to teach. So I've taught you how to save now. How do we print our documents? How do we print our documents? You go back to save again. So you click on save and you see print? It can you see print? So you click on so you have to come to this green line because it's already underlined red. So you see my